So this is the demo that I'm going to show you. This is the environment where I have this NGINX Plus Ingress repository where this is used to build the image. Currently it's in GitLab. So I also have the Harbor private registry, image registry. Later on, once the GitLab CI/CD pipeline successfully built the image will be uploaded here. You can see that the tag will change from based on the branch dash hashes, and later on will be the image version, the NAP version. I also have the Argo CD currently running on the lightweight K3s, and currently there are three applications are being synchronized with the repository. One is the My Acadia apps, and the other one is the My Train. These two applications currently sit behind NGINX Ingress, which is protected by the NGINX App Protect. NGINX Ingress here as well as synchronized with the repo. So basically this is a sample application, the Train app and the Acadia apps. So I'm going to start with the GitOps, where what happened here is that I'm going to do a git commit on one of the NGINX Plus Ingress. So here you can see that I have the Kubernetes apps here. I have Acadia and My Train. So basically this is the repository that Argo CD will synchronize with, and as well as this NGINX Ingress. This is basically what will happen here is that this is the tag that every time when the CI/CD build, it will update the tag with the new image. This is the NGINX Plus Ingress GitLab's CI file. That what happens that I'm going to do some updates on this file, and upon commit of the code, this will trigger a CI/CD pipeline. Just for this demonstration, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the date, let's say for example 12 Jan 2021. So I'm going to save this, and what happens is that I'm going to commit update NGINX Plus Ingress, and I'm going to do a code commit. So once the code commit, there will be a Slacks as well to push the informations to the Slacks for notification. So if I go to the pipeline, you can see that a pipeline got triggered. Currently it's in running state. And if I look, so basically there are three stages that it's going to do: build and push the image, and then later on it will do the scan image for security scan for vulnerabilities, and later on it will do the updates, the NAP manifest, and updating the NAP manifest will trigger an Argo CD event to synchronize the states of my Git repo with the Kubernetes environment. So this process will take a while. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to pause this video and we'll continue later on. From here you can see that App Protects are being installed as part of the package, and the thread campaign as well. So it looks like we have successfully built the image. So what happened here is that currently, as part of the build process of the NGINX Plus Ingress, it will push the image into the Docker's image, into the private repository. You can see that this is the tag. This is a new tag that you're going to push it to the repository. A successfully push of the image to the repository. So if I move to the Harbor, if I do a refresh here, I should see the new image got pushed here. And as part of, as well as what happened here is that now it's going to do the scanning. If I go back to the running task, so now it kicked the second process where it do the security scan. So you need to do the download the latest database, and later on what happened is that it will run a tree scan to look for any potential vulnerabilities on the image. So if the scan are successful, so now if I look into the The third phase is successful as well. You can see that there's an instance containers changes. You can see that the NGINX ingress got triggered as well. So because of the image changes, so what it does is that it's actually trying to synchronize the states of the repository with the target states of the environment. So you can see that currently what happened here is that it built a new image with this new version with the new hash, and as well as what happens that the applications are constantly refresh every two seconds. So these applications constantly refresh every 2 seconds. So that's to ensure that there's no downtime or there's no impact to the application. So if I drill down to the NGINX Ingress, NGINX Plus Ingress here, you can see that this is all the manifest that currently you can see. You can see from here as well, currently what it's trying to do is actually building a new port. So as long as the applications are not rejected or anything, that will be a good sign that it's actually moved to the new NGINX Ingress port. So the existing port, which is the 2 of this one, will not be destroyed until the NGINX, the new image tag are successfully running. Now you can see that it's trying to build the second containers. The first one is already running, and now it's trying to build the second one, and at the same time it moves the traffic to the new image and terminate the old. So now it's creating the containers with the new image. So now it's got built, and later on the old containers with the old image version will be destroyed. And as you can see that the applications are still running properly. There's no downtime, there's no timeout or anything. The states are still currently in sync. Alright, so now you can see that now all the traffics are moved to the new image, and the old image, the old port will be destroyed. As you can see that there's 0 downtimes to the applications. And now you can see that the NGINX Ingress is already synchronized between the target environment, which is on my Kubernetes environment, and with my repository. So in order to just to make sure that the NGINX App Protect are properly, let me stop this one, are properly protected. If I try to run, just to run attack, a quick cross-site scripting attack, just to make sure that, yep, you can see that it got blocked by the NGINX App Protect. If I go back to the repository, if I look into the repository here, what happened here is that as for the NGINX my Kubernetes apps, if I look at the my NGINX Ingress, you can see that currently this is updated with the latest deployment. This is 6 minutes ago. If I look at this, what happened here is that these image tags are updated for C4A. This will be aligned with what is the image that's got uploaded. Thanks. Thank you for watching.